Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana, and we are making a beautiful Easter wreath. Yes, indeed. I got this sign I glued on and attached with pipe cleaners. We are working with a sort of Easter eggs. We got some of these white flowers and some lavenders. We also got some of these beauties. Okay, now we also got some of these beautiful greeneries, and we got some big carrots. Okay, we are working with a 55-inch purple mesh. Look at the beautiful texture. We are working with a 63-inch yellow one. Look at the texture. We got our scissors. Let's get this started. Okay, first things first, we are going to put this lovely down here. This is the pin. How's everybody doing? Happy Easter. Happy Easter. I am so excited to be here and show you guys this beauty, yet easy to make with these big old boobloops. These big old, what do you call these? Easter eggs. I was wondering, what can I do? What can I do? And I thought, hey, I got this one. Okay, right there. Now we're going to have another one right here. Now we're going to stop. Wait. Let's put some of this. Balance them out now. Those in there. We're going to stop right there. Okay, we're going to get down with our yellow mesh. Okay, we're going to get the loops on. We're going to get one. These are 12 inches. Yep. 12-inch loops. Got one there. Gonna make another one. This is so beautiful. It's different. Then we're gonna get another one right here. Bam! Look at that. We're gonna get this guy right in here, like so. Look, so easy to work with these beautiful wreaths, like all weaves. There we go. Okay, here we go. Make a little bit down, and then we are gonna make two more loops. Okay. So we got enough? Yes, we got enough. Got two more loops going on right here. And there it is. Look. Let's weave these underneath here. Like that. And there's that beautiful mesh. Look at that. There. Okay, now we're going to get the purple one. Let's get this beauty. We are going to make same thing. One. Grab this side. Two. We're making two. Two 12-inch loops. Two 12-inch loops. Gonna get this attached in here. Bam, look at that. Okay, then we're gonna get, we're getting meshy here, huh? We're gonna get two more loops. One and two more. We'll get these guys up in here, like that. There we go. And there it is. Okay, we got our little purple and yellow going on. Now we're gonna get the rest of this greenery going on. Okay, here, should have put it on first. Okay, and then we're gonna get more. Where else? Right in here, the sides. Okay, look at that. Some hanging out right there. And where else? I think we're gonna get some up here. Let's get some right here so we can have some greenery for our eggs. Okay. Okay, now let's get these eggs in. Okay, we're just gonna get these. One right here. Get these. Put that in right here. Get another one. Kind of stand some up and stand some different ways. Like I said, you could use your glue, you know, to get them, to keep them in the way you want. And here's another one right here. Look at that. How cute is that? Then we are gonna, that's why I have this down here more. That. There we go, like that. Hey, okay, now we're gonna get these florals on. Okay, everybody, let's just get these florals. Go wild with the florals like that. Let's put them all around. Let's step back and visualize, see what we're working with. Oh my, it's a beauty, it's a beauty. Okay, we got one here, we got one there. Got another one over here. Look at that, everybody. Let's get some of these here. Bam, look at that. It's just so easy. Just use your imagination and go wild with it. Let's go wild with your florals and look at that. Okay, now let's get these little guys up in here. Look at that. Daffodils, is that what you call these? Then there's another one right there. Oh my, look at this, look at it. Bam. Bam. Bam, look at that. Woo. Let's get these all spread out. Look at that. This bunny has a spectacular place, huh? Look at, bam. What else? Anything else neat over here? I think we're gonna get some coloring right there. We are gonna get our lavenders out and just put some one right here. Get another one over here. Let's get some out here. There. We're gonna get one more lavender right in here. And I think we got it, everybody. Ooh, well, hold up, wait a minute. Let's get these carrots on. Got these carrots going on right here. And we're gonna get these right up here. Here's one. One. There's another carrot right in here. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Let me show you all what we got done today. Look at this beauty. Just use your imagination, be creative, and use a variety of different things, you know. Experiment with the colors, the textures, and once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Like always, I enjoy being here with you guys. Yes, indeed. Look at that. With the little beautiful eggs and the florals. Just came out so beautiful. Till the next video, we still have some more Easter going on in here. So stay tuned for my next videos and like and share. And if you enjoyed my video, consider pressing that subscribe button, bam, and you will be helping my video channel grow. Excuse me. See ya. Happy Easter. Woo.